Kia ora, and welcome to Annie's School, your toon school of excellence. Today we're learning how to complete a 5 W's chart. 5 W's charts are a wonderful way to explore the details of a text. 5 W's charts can also be used to plan a story. And they're all about 5 words that start with W. Funny that. The first W, what. The first W is what. What does that mean? What? Record on your 5 W's chart what happened, or what the story was about, or what the article was about, and other such what things like that. What? Let's take Cinderella. What? Cinderella has a mean stepmother who wouldn't let her go to the ball. Poor Cinders was left at home. The second W, who. The second W is who. What does that mean? Record on your 5 W's chart who was there, or who the story was about, or who the article was about, and other such who things like that. Remember Cinderella? Who? Cinderella. Who? Cinders, of course, and her mean, nasty, icky stepmother, the 2 mean, nasty, icky stepsisters, and the prince, of course, and the fairy godmother. That's who. The third W, why. Because it's the third W, which is the one that comes after the second W. That's why. Why. Record on your 5 W's chart why it happened, or why the story was written, or why the article was written, or why what is happening in the article is in fact happening, and other such why things like that. Why? Remember Cinderella? Why? Because we are doing a 5 W's chart about her, that's why. Why? The evil's nasty stepmother left Cinderella at home because she was evils and nasties. The lovely fairy godmother came and helped Cinderella's get ready for the ball because she wanted to go, and that's what fairy godmothers do. The prince asked Cinders to marry him because she was such a lovely person, and when the shoe fits, you should wear it. The fourth W, when. When? Now. Because it's the fourth W, which is the one that comes after the third W, so we do it then. When. Record on your 5 W's chart when it happened, or when the story was set, or when the article was set, and other such when things like that. When. Remember Cinderella? When. Now, that's when. Good grief. When. The evil, nasty stepmother left Cinders in the early evening when she went to the ball. Evil, nasty stepmother. The lovely fairy godmother came and helped Cinders get ready for the ball after Cinders had finished all her chores. Yay, a lovely fairy godmother. Cinderella had to run home when the clock struck 12. The lovely prince came to look for Cinderella a couple of days after the ball. Yay, lovely prince. The whole thing happened a long, long time ago. That's when. The fifth W, where. Where is the fifth W of the 5 W chart? Record on your 5 W's chart where it happened, or where the story was set, or where was the article set, or where what is happening in the article is in fact happening, and other such where things like that. Where? Back to Cinderella. Where? In the house where Cinders lived with her evil, nasty stepmother. Where? At the palace where the ball was. Where? Back in the house where Cinders lived with her evil, nasty stepmother. But it was okay because the prince came along and she managed to squeeze the shoe onto her foot. Yay! So let's recap. See what I did there? A 5 W's chart is a chart with 5 W words that you use to explore a story or an article or an other piece of writing. What? Who? Why? When? Where? So, next time your teacher asks you to complete a 5 W's chart about what you have been reading, instead of going, you'll be able to say, "Why, yes sirree, Mrs. Hinklebottom, I sure know how to do that," as you walk away saying, "What am I doing? Who asked me? Why am I doing it? When do I need to do it? Where am I?" Our learning here is done, my little caramel chews. See y'all next time at Annie's School, your toon school of excellence.